Hey, Wier and Blaine Kenny, shark fishing guys from Coastal Worldwide, caught a 10-foot great white shark weighing between 800 to 1,000 pounds off the coast of Orange Beach, Alabama. The catch required an all-hands-on-deck effort between 6 people and is believed to be the first of its kind caught in Alabama. Despite the rarity of the catch, the shark was quickly released back into the Gulf due to the regulations protecting great whites from becoming endangered or extinct. The rate of shark attacks in the United States vary from year to year and by location, but on average, there are about 40 to 50 reported shark attacks per year in the U.S., according to the International Shark Attack File, which tracks shark attacks worldwide. The U.S. typically has the highest number of reported shark attacks per year, with Florida being the state with the highest number of attacks. However, it's important to note that the risk of being attacked by a shark is still relatively low, as the chances of encountering a shark while swimming or surfing in the ocean are small. Florida has the highest rate of shark attacks in the United States, according to the International Shark Attack File. There were 51 reported shark attacks in Florida in 2020, which accounted for the majority of all reported attacks in the U.S. The state also has the highest number of fatal shark attacks in the country. However, it's important to note that the risk of being attacked by a shark while swimming or surfing in Florida waters is still relatively low, as millions of people swim in the state's waters every year without incident. The rate of shark attacks in the Gulf of Mexico Panhandle, which include the coasts of states such as Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida, is lower compared to other coastal areas of the United States. According to the International Shark Attack File, the Gulf of Mexico as a whole has a lower incidence of shark attacks than other regions of the United States, with an average of about 5 to 6 reported attacks per year. However, it's important to note that shark attacks can still occur in these waters, and swimmers should exercise caution when entering the ocean. The rate of shark attacks in the Florida Panhandle, which includes popular beach destinations such as Panama City Beach and Destin, are relatively low compared to other areas of Florida. According to the International Shark Attack File, there have been a total of 19 reported shark attacks in the Florida Panhandle between 1882 and 2020. This is a relatively small number compared to other regions of Florida, such as the East Coast and the Keys, which have a higher number of reported shark attacks. However, it's important to note that shark attacks can still occur in these waters, and swimmers should always exercise caution when entering the ocean. Sharks are often portrayed as one of the deadliest creatures in the water, but in reality, there are other things in the water that pose a greater risk to humans. For example, the water. Drowning is the leading cause of death in the ocean, followed by various forms of marine life, such as jellyfish, sea snakes, and certain species of fish, even in the areas where sharks are known to be present. The risk of a shark attack is still relatively low, and most species of sharks are not considered to be a significant threat to humans. It's important to respect marine wildlife and follow safety guidelines when swimming or engaging in water activities to minimize the risk of injury or harm. For the people in Florida, there are several species of sharks that are known for their aggressive behavior, although it's important to note that most species of sharks are not considered to be a significant threat to humans, and attacks are relatively rare. One of the most aggressive sharks found in Florida is the bull shark, which is known to be territorial and may attack humans in shallow waters, particularly in areas where there is high fish activity or where humans are fishing. Another aggressive shark species found in Florida is the blacktip shark, which is known to be aggressive when feeding and has been involved in several other incidents with humans. Other species of sharks found in Florida waters that may exhibit aggressive behavior include the tiger shark, the great white shark, and the lemon shark. Although these species are generally less common and attacks involving these sharks are relatively rare, it's important to remember that sharks are wild animals and should be respected when encountered in their natural habitat. Swimmers and surfers should always exercise caution and avoid swimming in areas where sharks are known to be present, particularly during feeding times or when there is a high fish activity. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you've enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me, and it helps me create even better videos in the future. And if you think this video would be useful to others, please feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.